Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix iPhone not sending messages. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, you need to check your internet or cellular connection. For iMessage, blue bubbles, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. For SMS or MMS, green bubbles, make sure you have a cellular signal. Try opening a website to confirm your connection is working. The second thing is you have to make sure that your iMessage is turned on. Go to settings, messages, turn iMessage on or green switch. Wait for a few seconds and try sending again. You can also check SMS and MMS settings here. Send as SMS is on and MMS messaging is on. Next thing to do here is you have to simply restart your iPhone. Press and hold power plus volume down or power alone on older models. Slide to power off, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Sign out and back into Apple ID. Go to settings, messages, send and receive. Tap on your Apple ID. Try sign in again and try sending a message. Next is go to settings, update your iOS, go to general, and then look for software update, install any available updates. Lastly, reset network settings if the issue persists. Go to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. This will erase save Wi-Fi passwords but may fix the problem. And basically, that's how easy it is to fix iPhone not sending messages. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.